There are people in the world who use the Looksmaxxing who improve our faces, and there are also people in the world who use the Looksmaxxing in wrong way to completely ruin our faces. So we must improve ourselves in 2025. So in this video I will tell you the right Looksmaxxing step by step, so completely stick around to the end. This video is divided into two parts. Number first Looksmaxxing and number second height maxing. Number first groom maxing. Groom maxing mean make yourself well groomed, just like that make your hair cut once in a month and keep the hairstyle which suit on your face, because the hairstyle make your looks 10x attractive, and remove unwanted hairs from your nose, eyebrows and ears. And you must have to know which type of look will look better on you, the beard look or clean shave. If you have patch beard, then keep the clean shave look. If you want to keep the beard but the beard doesn't grow, then you can use a derma ruler with minoxidil. That will help you to grow your beard equally. Always trim your beard and make an on point, because in beard your face look very symmetrical and give sharp jawline illusion. So we are talking about the jawline, then you must know the technique. From this technique not only you achieve the jawline but also the cheekbones. This technique is called mewing. Mewing improve the overall face structure, and nowadays most of the people used mewing in right way to improve their faces, but there are also people who use the mewing in wrong way which completely ruin their faces, just like the forward teeth. So what is the correct way for mewing? First of all, you have to keep the straight posture, then touch your tongue with upper palate and hold the tongue in that place, and remember don't touch the teeth with tongue, and swallow the saliva in this way, and make your habit when you are free and don't talk to someone, then do mewing. Mewing result doesn't show in 10 to 15 days. For decent result you have to wait for 1 to 2 years. If you doesn't wait for the result for 1 to 2 years, so I will tell you the method that you can achieve the jawline in a few weeks. So I will tell you in step number 3, so watch the full video. Number second, skin maxing. Skin maxing is the process where your face looks smooth and evenly curved without any acne or pimples. For example, in these two, which one is clean and good looking? Of course the second one, because its skin quality is better than the first one. Skin complexion doesn't matter, the thing which is matter is the skin. Clear and glowing skin make you attractive. Don't use useless things for your face to make your face ruin and unattractive. I will tell you scientifically proven 3 methods that make your face clean and smooth. Number first, use only 2 products for your face. Hundreds of studies have proven that only 2 products make your face smooth and clear. Number first, use a good face wash. It removes all dust from your pores. Number second, sunscreen, which protect the skin from sun damage. Number second, changing bed sheet every week. In your bed sheet, dust and sweats and dead cells are adding daily, which then cause to born new bacteria, and that bacteria causes skin irritation, rashes, dirt and acne. So you must have to wash your bed sheet and pillowcase in a week. And finally, use vitamin C serum. Wrinkles, dark spots, uneven texture make your face unattractive. Vitamin C are proven that control melanin production. This serum remove blemishes from your face and dark points and circles, and also remove tan and make your face clean and glowing. Body maxing. Body maxing mean to get your ideal physique, your dream physique, which are you dream for. Body maxing play important role in looks maxing journey. If you are fat, then you are lucky, because fat person have advantage. They lose fat faster than others and went from 3 out of 10 to 7 out of 10. While losing weight, they also lost fat from face, which give sharp and good jawline. So don't be insecure about your weight. You can lose a weight in a month by using these 3 principles. Number first, get 8 to 9 hours of sleep. Number second, drink 1 gallon water. In 1 gallon there is about 3.7 liter. Number third, go to gym 5 times a week and do 30-minute cardio and weight training. This type of exercise increase your testosterone level, which make it the peak, which you can increase your muscle gaining in short period of time. And nutrients like green veggies and dry fruits and dairy products are good. Number fourth, height maxing. Height maxing play important role in your personality. If you are tall guy, then you are considered to be attractive. If you are teenager and want to increase your height, then you absolutely increase your height by focusing on high protein diet like calcium, vitamin D, protein and zinc. These nutrients are good for bone size and muscles. Sleep. Without sleep you cannot increase your height, because in deep sleep the HGH are released, which are responsible for height growth. So take 8 to 10 hours of sleep. So this for teenager, and now talking about the adult who growth plate are closed. So there is a method called microfracture. Microfractures are small cracks in your shin bone which are healed then to grow vertical. So in this way your height increase and microfractures. I already make a detailed video on microfracture, so the video link in the description. So watch the full video. I hope you something learned from the video. So don't forget like and subscribe.